Doc Sam here from Athletes Potential. This is going over if you have pain at the bottom of your squat. So if you have kind of a pinch pain in the front of your squat, you may be lacking some hip flexion mobility. This is a good way to test it is on your back. See if you can just bring your knee towards your chest. If you can't get your thigh into your chest, or if you feel some pinch pain in the front of your thigh, we're gonna take a band and work on distracting that hip. So pulling the hip down in the socket, working on trying to get the hip to come down so that we can make a little bit more room in the joint for flexing up. Now, sometimes if it's uncomfortable to come straight up, I'll bring it out to the side and then I'll work my way in as I'm trying to flex that hip and work on gaining a little bit more range of motion. Try that out next time you squat before you go into your squat workout and see how that works.